10-9.
Kaleb!
Walker, we got shots fired. Shots fired. 4 units. Shots
Where is it?
4 units. Over at my Bayside Resort. Onigum Road.
Are you hit?
1088.
Are you hit? Are you hit?
Everybody stay clear of traffic. Let me know when you get there. Fire suspect down.
This is suspect down. Suspect's down, bud. Hold on.
Shots fired. Suspect down. 703.
Hold on.
Oh, fuck.
You alright?
My leg.
Okay. You want to see?
Hold on.
Okay.
Well, fire marker.
Alright.
Everybody stay up there and let you get on tape. 32 with 18.
10-4. He's got one in the leg.
What the fuck, dude?
Okay. Alright. We got him. I got 18.
He's down.
Is he down?
32.
In the leg.
Do you have the suspect in custody?
Suspect is down.
704.
I don't know if I'm hitting anywhere else.
Okay, bud.
I just got pain in my leg.
23 Walker.
What?
Everything's code 4 and all day. We're gonna try and make contact with the party that was walking on Onigum Road.
Come on. Walker, what pursuit? 10-3, traffic, local pursuit, 1702. Heading to the resort back here. Heading back north. Walker, hit. 118-10-9.
Walker, we got shots fired. Shots fired. 4 units. Show me your hands! Stop! Show me your hands! Do it now! Walker, I got shots fired. Suspect down. Get your fucking hands up! Get your hands up now!
Shots fired, suspect down, 703.
Roll away from the gun! Get your hands up now! Get your hands up!
105 Walker, notify admin, please. We're on it. Everybody stay up there. Let you get on tape.
32, are you with 18? Hey, what do you guys need? You got a tourniquet? Where's he hit?
132.
Where's he hit? Do you have a tourniquet on?
Walker. Do we know who was hit? 118 has been hit. Suspect down.
Walker, 118 is back of the squad. Suspect's clear of the weapon. We're at code 4 right now. Everyone can slow down.
Hey, you're okay.
Hey, help him. Help him get his gun in his holster.
I need it.
Hey,
You're okay. Right in my fucking nuts, too.
put some gloves on. Secure that. We got a tourniquet on?
No.
Okay, back up. Watch him, Brian.
Oh, yeah, interesting.
What leg is this one?
This one here. Stupid stuff with this.
Walker, start air care at our location. Okay.
Fuck.
It's gonna fucking hurt.
It's gonna fucking hurt.
Back here. Head back north. Walker ahead. 118, 10-9. Walker, we got shots fired. 4 units. Shots fired. We need more units. Over at Bayside Resort, Onigum Road. 1088, officer. 10. Shots fired. 1088. Everybody please clear traffic. Let me know when you get there. Start suspect down. Shots fired. Suspect down. 1703. Level 5, Walker. Notify admin, please. We're on it. Everybody stay up there and let's get on tape. 32, are you with 18? Do you have the suspect in custody? 1704.